Welcome back, Mrs. Matilda here. I'm going to read Goodnight Numbers. 1. Good night, one fork. Good night, one spoon. Good night, one bowl. I'll see you soon. 2. Good night, two hands. Good night, 2 feet. Good night, 2 ears, so small and sweet. 3. Good night, 3 wheels. Good night, 3 cans. Good night, all trucks and pots and pans. 4. Good night, 4 paws. Good night, kitty cat. Good night, 4 froggies on the bathroom mat. 5. Good night, 5 points. Good night, little star. Good night, 5 splashes. They go really far. 6. Good night, 6 snaps. Good night, Mr. Peach. Good night, 6 blocks with 6 sides each. 7. Good night, 7 days. Good night, whole week. Good night, 7 teeth, so clean they squeak. 8. Good night, 8 arms. Good night, tall vine. Good night, 8 sides on the red stop sign. 9. Good night, 9 butterflies. Good night, 9 bars. Good night to the moon and the countless stars. 10. Good night, 10 fingers. Good night, 10 toes. Good night to the world and everyone knows. Numbers are around us like really good friends. Good night to all the numbers. Good night and the end. The end. That was Goodnight Numbers. See you soon.